Boom! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, you might see something different about my name. Or about my channel. Yep, you know what I'm gonna do today. You know what I'm gonna be showing you? I'm just gonna give you a sound to figure it out. You guys probably know what I'm going to be showing you guys just by my channel name. Okay, so let's get started. First, this, these, yeah. I'm going to be showing all of my fidgets. I have two boxes here. This is one, then this is the second one. Well, it's bigger than I think. So my first is a slinky. I love it. And I just love the colors to it. And I love the shading. It's amazing. I love this. And my second one is another one of my favorites. A wacky track. I really love wacky tracks. And I love snakes. Though I have another snake. I don't know where it is. But I love wacky tracks and snakes. But the only thing that I don't like about it is that it can pinch you. It can kind of pinch you, which it just did. To me. So yeah, but I still love wacky tracks and snakes. And also pop tubes. I literally love pop tubes. They are so amazing. Just I love them. And also Marble Mash. I have a lot more. But they're probably somewhere. I don't know where. And also another one that I actually just got, which I already love. It's a fidget cube. I love these so much. It's like 1, 2, 3. Wait, it's like 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's kind of like 5 fidgets and just 5 fidgets just connected to one. It's amazing. I love it. And also, nobody can be a fidget professional without the poppet. I have a lot of poppets, and I have literally more coming. There's some coming on Tuesday, but I literally love these. This is the bad side. Look, this is the good side. This is the good side, and this is the bad side. But the bad side is actually still pretty good, and it's also like super soft, and I just love it. And also I have my angry kitty cat, but I love these a lot. And my angry kitty cat, its birthday is June 15th. And his name is Devil. But I actually really love it. He's really good. Also a homemade fidget kind of. It's, what are they called? I don't know what they're called, but I made it and it's like really good. I actually really like it. And also I got more of my pop. I'm just putting all my poppets in here. Oh, I missed two. Yeah, I have a lot of poppets. Look, one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 poppets, and I think I have more coming. But, alright. And also, I have 2 infinity cubes. Oh, this is my mini. This is my mini infinity cube. And this is my big infinity cube. See, you can see the difference. Yeah. And now I'm literally obsessed. And I say obsessed with mochis. Literally, they are so freaking cute. They're like so cute. I have like, I don't know how many, but I have a lot. Because they are so cute. Look, and actually, you can actually like squeeze them. Like, don't you see when you see a really cute, don't you feel like when you see a really cute puppy or a really cute kitty or kitten, you just want to squeeze it and crush it because it's so cute. Don't you just want to do that? And now you actually can because they have puppy mochis or doggy mochis. That's so cute. And also kitty mochis, which are also cute, so cute. And also turtles, pigs, everything. And also, this isn't really a fidget, but they're flying chickens. Well, it's basically a fidget. Whoa. But yeah, this is the flying chicken. You can put your finger in there, put it back, and make it fly. You see, the other one just went over there. This is kind of a fidget. But look. Yeah. And also, another one that I really like, monkey noodles. Monkey noodles. I actually really love these. They're really easy to stretch and just, it's amazing. And also, I have these. I'm not quite sure what to call them. But I just like to call them clickers. And yeah. I'm just gonna call them clickers, okay? Okay. 1 second. Okay, sorry. But I absolutely love these. They all. Wait, where did my other one go? I don't know, but these are pea poppers. Did you mean pea poppers? I absolutely love them. Like, look at the little face. Then you put it back in, but the other ones don't have little faces on them. And also this, there's a yellow pea. And I have another one that has a green pea. So, yeah. Also, I love these. I call them stretchy animals because, well, I just call them stretchy animals because there's so many different kinds of animals. They're also easy to stretch. Oh, here's another one. Another one that I really like is spiky balls. I literally love them. I have more in the other box, but I literally love these so much. Also, I have this. It's a stretch ball color changer. I think they're called. Well, I just love all of them, but I'm not exactly sure what they're all called. But I mostly know what they're all called. And also, I literally love these squishies. And there's a little kitty. It's the same with emojis. When you want to just squeeze it and like cuddle it so much. These are good because you can look. Just squeeze it. And also, I have a little muffin, which I also love. This one's like really good to stretch. Look, I love it. Also, I have these. I absolutely love them. They're like Orbeez in plastic. You can move them around really easily. I love them. Oh, and also I love stretchy bands. But like now they're really good, and I love them. I literally love stretchy bands. And also I have a mini monkey noodle. I think it's called. It's called a mini monkey noodle, I think, and I really like it. Like it's really easy to stretch, and like it's amazing. Also, I have monster fingerlings. I really like them because like you can kind of bring them anywhere. Like if you're out in public, you can just whip them out, and then you can like put them on your fingers and play with them and like squeeze them. It's amazing. And also I have my puzzle ball. I actually really like these. They're getting more popular, but kind of on the downside. But one of the most popular fidgets that I have is the pea popper. I also have a soccer ball. It's kind of like a fidget spinner, but a soccer ball. And you can't really balance it with like you do some fidget spinner. But I found a Popeyes. I have a llama Popeyes. And also, it's a keychain, so you can bring it to school on your backpack, and then whenever you want to, in class, you can just, yeah, it's amazing. And also, another spiky ball, and also another mini monkey noodle, and another stretchy animal. And here is my other snake or wacky track. I don't really like these, like this one, because it's kind of hard to move. It's not really that good. It's kind of small, so not really good enough. So I'm not really recommend it. Also, I found another Orbeez crystal, and so a stress ball, Orbeez stress ball. I absolutely love Orbeez stress balls. Another stretchy eel, which I also love, and I love these marble meshes. They're like amazing. And also, I just found out you can do this with them. And also, you can do that. and I absolutely love them. Also this, I actually really like them. There was Orbeez in here before, but then it popped. So instead of throwing it away, I just made it another fidget. It's actually pretty good. And also more meshes and spiky balls. I love these. Also a maze. And of course, you couldn't have fidgets if you didn't have fidget spinners. Because I don't know why, but I feel like the fidget spinners, how fidgets actually started. But then I watched the video and it said, well, she's in high school now, but it said when she was in 6th grade, they were really popular. And I have another mobile mesh. And also another thing that I would recommend for school is this. So it's also a keychain, and you can put it on your backpack, and it's really squishy and fluffy. And one of my boxes literally almost fell. Literally, it almost fell. But yeah, this. And yeah, I would really recommend it. And also, this is kind of the same thing as this, because the Orbeez that was in it came out of it, so I, instead of throwing it away, I just kept it, and now it's actually a pretty good fidget, and you can see where it popped. It's actually a really big pop, like really big hole. Yeah, you can see off right there. But I kind of made this. It's like a makeup blender. But it's basically a fidget, because if you try and squish it, it's pretty good. And also, of course, a Rubik's Cube. And also another squish ball. And also, I actually really like these. Cool face emoji on that one, and a silly face on this one. I have another one like that. It's this, but it's the football. And also an ugly doll. I have 2 more fidgets. Rubik's Cubes right here. And also another thing that I would recommend for school as a keychain. You can squish it whenever you want. You can put this on your backpack, and it's amazing. Another spiky ball. And also this fidget that I made. So I kind of made it out of Legos. But then I didn't really make it. But it's made out of Legos, I think. And then they waxed it or something, maybe. And then they put glue on it. So now it can stick together. And I actually don't like this as much. There's not much to do with it. But another Popeye. And another Popeye. And a water timer. I actually really like these. But why this black is on it, Guess who I live with? My big sister. And you know what she does? Ruins my stuff. I know, Adrian, if you're watching this. I know that I did that too, but I only did that because to get revenge on you. Yeah. And also this glitter slime. I'm not really sure if you're supposed to take it out the package or not, because I tried that right here, and well, I have scissors somewhere. I can try to open it. Look, I better be getting this on camera. But look. Oh, okay. Okay, well, I don't know if I was supposed to do that or not, but I already did it, so yeah. I guess it's, well, it is actually pretty cool when you take it out of the package. The problem is I don't know if you're supposed to glue that or not, because it might be really messy and they've made it be in a package you're not really to open on purpose. Well, not that, but it's not really easy to open because scissors couldn't even really get it. Well, that good, I meant. That did get it. But, ooh, that's really cool and satisfying. Whoa. This is so, I don't know. But I absolutely love it. I love all the glitter. Yeah. And also here's some more. Well, this is cool.